very on point. And it's also my vendors know that. And one of my clients said to me कि तुम्हारा USP पता है क्या है? सब तुमसे डरते हैं. So I had to make myself, I had to change my personality. I'm not like that in real life, but I had to make myself harder. I had to make myself stricter because आप दबोगे तो वो तो आप तबाह हो जाओगे, खत्म हो जाओगे.
Support that you have, the vendors, and even for that matter, the mindset or what your client is looking for in Pakistan.
So let me just say, it's so easy to work abroad. And I think one of the things that I have learned, and a lot of people don't know, and I think that's very important to say it now on this platform, that event management एक अलग चीज़ है, event design एक अलग चीज़ है, event execution एक अलग चीज़ है और planning अलग चीज़ है. So you have so many people abroad who I know, who are just friends of mine, who are not just planners. They don't do anything. Their vendors are so good that once you've done the planning, you've got the money, you've got the design from someone else, you're paying them for the design. यहाँ पे तो हर चीज़ हम खुद ही कर रहे होते हैं, एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे बैठे हुए डिज़ाइन भी कर रहे हैं. मेरे ज़माने में तो हम सबको PR भी कर रहे होते थे, हर चीज़ ही कर रहे होते थे, which is something that Pakistan needs to evolve to. So I think it's the easiest. Japan was the most exciting place for me to work with. I swear to God, I didn't have to lift a finger. The work was given, the script was given, everything was given, and clockwork. So it's much easier to work abroad. So that's why I salute anyone who can work in Pakistan and get things done. And all of this is one of the most difficult professions, people. I don't know if people know this. Of course, being in the army, being in the police, ये सारे stress वाले, the stress that event managers carry, the sleepless nights that we have, the constant it's crazy. So I think if you realize that and you understand where you're coming from, and we organize ourselves a bit better, maybe this is a great platform that we can organize ourselves and share our experiences so we do understand the problems and also the clients understand it. It will be better, but you're dealing with a very different system because your lights and your sound systems and people, they come from a very different background. They have generations, some of them are generationally been doing sound and they have learned on the way, you know. We have learned on the way. Maybe we have the creativity, maybe because I have an art background or somebody else has a fashion background, so they have the creativity. But to work with vendors who don't understand time, वो तो आपको पता है सबसे बड़ा problem पाकिस्तान में. People who don't understand that you have those 3 hours, you have to deliver.
Yes.
किसी ने आपको पैसे ही दिए हैं, आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, तो सारा स्ट्रेस आपके ऊपर आ जाता है कि एक बंदा भी लेट हो जाए और कॉन्स्टेंटली आप फ़ोन कर रहे हो. So there's a huge difference between working outside of Pakistan and working within Pakistan. But having said that, we manage and we're at par, if not better.